In this video, I'll show you how to buy Bitcoin on Binance. This is going to be a full guide video, so please ensure you watch through all I'm going to show you. This video is only for educational purpose only, so ensure you follow the processes I'm going to show you in this video. Now, open your Binance. If you want to buy Bitcoin on your Binance, the very first thing you need to have some funds in your Binance. You can have Sol, you can have USDT, you can have Tron, you can have any of them on Ethereum. So what you need to do, you're going to click on this trade. You're going to click on convert. So this is, I think, the very cool method that works well, right? So let's say if you have, I think, $100 worth of USDT and you love to buy Bitcoin on your Binance, what you need to do, USDT need to be at the top, then come on to this tool, come on and type in Bitcoin. So let it be on there. So what you need to do, you can see $100 can buy 0.000852 trade Bitcoin on your Binance. So if you click on the preview, it's going to load up, then you're going to be able to convert it. I wasn't able to do it because I don't have, I think, sufficient balance here. So this is basically for educational and tutorial purpose only. So let me know if you found this video helpful and if you're able to buy Bitcoin here on Binance with this educational tutorial. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.